African tulip tree produces tubular tulip-like flowers whose color ranges from orange-red to scarlet and measures 9 to 13 cm long and 7 to 8 cm across, which forms in erect clusters mainly at the top of the tree's crown. Each flower possesses 4 pale yellow stamens about 5 to 6 cm long with dark brown anthers. Flowers are connected by a spathe-like calyx which is covered with velvety rusty to brown hairs. The tree bears large and erect green to dark brown pods about 13 to 25 cm long, 2 cm thick and 4 cm wide, which point upwards at the ends of branches. Leaves are pinnate, oppositely arranged, 30 to 60 cm long with 11 to 17 opposite elliptic leaflets about 8 to 15 cm long on short stalks. Flower clusters are about 10 to 25 cm long. Fruit is an oblong capsule which is about 16 to 24 by 3.5 to 6 cm that splits open in order to release diverse seeds measuring 2 to 2.5 cm long with membranous wings. Tree reaches 15 to 25 meters high with 30 to 45 centimeters trunk diameter, having dense irregular crown of large spreading branches which are evergreen and nearly deciduous. The showy flowers belong to the family Bignoniaceae with zygomorphic corolla and 4 didynamous stamens and bicarpellate pistil. African tulip tree is inherent to tropical Africa. It is well known as street tree or ornamental garden tree in tropical and subtropical parts of Queensland as it bears showy red tulip-shaped flowers. In North Queensland, African tulip trees are a serious environmental weed, where they are highly invasive and form dense stands in gullies and along streams. It has become a problem in southeast Queensland as environmental weeds. The tree reproduces by seeds in suckers and is able to spread from a single planting. Spathoidea campanulata is a deciduous, perennial and medium-sized tree which reaches 10 to 25 meters in height with compact, round crown of dense and dark green foliage, buttressed, stout trunk and thick lenticellate branches. Bark when young is pale gray-brown, smooth, which turns to gray-black, scaly and fissured horizontally and vertically with age. Leaves are imparipinnate, exstipulate and opposite. Each leaf consists of 5 to 7 pairs of opposite leaflets and petioles about 7 to 15 centimeters long. The leaflets are elliptical to ovate or ovate to oblong, measuring 7 to 16 centimeters by 3 to 7 centimeters with entire margin and asymmetrically truncate to cuneate base, acute or acuminate base. Flowers are zygomorphic, hermaphrodite, showy and large with pedicles up to 6 centimeters long. Fruit is a narrow ellipsoid capsule about 15 to 27 centimeters by 3.5 to 7 centimeters in blackish brown. Seeds are thin, flat, broadly winged and 1.5 centimeters by 2 centimeters. Branches are thick and are marked with small whitish colored corky spots. Younger branches are almost hairless to having sparse covering of small hairs. Large leaves are compound up to 50 centimeters long with 7 to 17 leaflets. Leaves are arranged oppositely on stems and are borne on stalks up to 6 centimeters long. Leaflets are egg-shaped, broadly oval in outline and have entire margins. It has sparse covering of soft hairs and the extension of leaf stalk is covered usually with brownish-colored hairs. There are 2 or 3 tiny raised structures at the base of each leaflet. Flowers are large, showy and are arranged on dense clusters of 8 to 10 centimeters long at the branch tips on stalks of 10 centimeters long. Individual flowers form on short stalks which are covered in brownish-colored hairs. Flowers have sepals which are fused into horn-shaped structure that splits along one side as the flowers open. Calyx is distinctive and horn-shaped, which is curved upward, brownish and somewhat ribbed. Petals are reddish to orange-colored and are fused together and resemble the shape of tulip flower. Mouth of the flower measures 7 centimeters across and possesses several indistinct lobes, with crinkled margins which are yellowish in color. Flowering occurs throughout the year, but its peak season is during spring. Capsules are large, elongated about 3.5 to 5 cm wide and 17 to 30 cm long that resemble pods. It is slightly flattened and turns from green to brown in color when they mature. They split open when mature and release 500 papery seeds. These seeds are light and are surrounded by translucent membranous wing. Please like, share and subscribe.